Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's video editing tools. To get started, choose a video for each project or slide or page. For the design options, you can go to Elements and type in video, and you can pull up any amount of videos that you want. Right here I have 2 videos on each page. This is what I'm going to be working with. Or if you have videos to work with, you can go to uploads and choose an upload file from your laptop. So go to duration and you can choose how long you want each video to play. Whether it be starting or ending, you make that adjustment. To minimize the timeline editing, just select duration and it's viewed as normal again. You can also reorder your pages, so all you have to do is hold on and drag and you will be changing the flow of your video. Now you can add transitions. So what you have to do is just hover your mouse between the 2 videos and select add transitions. Here is the transition panel and you can choose between the transitions that are provided. I'm going to choose dissolve. And now you can see that the transition is added between these 2 videos. You can also add pages. So if you want to include another video in this, you can simply select this plus button and another page will be added. Here you can also include elements as overlays. So you can add either text, graphics, or animations directly onto the video. So to add text, go over to the left panel, select text, add title. You can choose whatever it is that you want to write. You can head up to the toolbar, change the font. You can change the color. Go to effects and you can add a shadow or a lift. You can also drag the corner to increase the size. You can reposition onto the design. Also, you can add animations. You can adjust the speed. You can choose the writing style, you can choose the direction, and so much more. You can even adjust the transparency of the text if you like. Also, for these videos, you can add audio to integrate into this project. So head over to your left panel and go to audio, and you can search audios by words and you can select an audio. You can drag it onto the design. Like I said before, drag to change the length of the audio from start to finish. So now this music will only be played for these 2 videos. Now once your project is done, to export, all you have to do is go up to the top toolbar and select share, select download, select the number of pages. Since it's only the last 2 pages that you are working with, deselect and scroll down, select pages 9 and 10, select done, export the file type in MP4 video and then select download. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.